Okay, this is to show you how to change the oil wick in the shuttle race. The wick I was using was just a piece of felt, but what I found is the current one. What I found is that even though you drop some oil on it, it is dripping through quite quickly, so it dries out too quick, and I'm finding that I'm having to oil it a lot more often, so I don't think the quality of felt that I've used is good enough. So what I have bought is candle oil wick, a ridiculously long piece. I'm only going to use a little bit. I'm sure I can use the rest of it for something else, but that's what I'm going to use, and I'll trim that down. So first things first, take the screws out of your plate, and you're also going to need to take, sorry if my video is really wobbly, it's because I'm using the phone. So that off, I normally take this screw out as well, just so it's out the way, and then take the needle out. Ew, it's a dirty needle. Just pop those out the way. Once you've unscrewed those two screws here, this plate will just lift off. I'm sure you've done that bit before. And then to get this slide plate out, you don't pull it this way. You have to push it up and across. I can't do it with one hand. Come on. Give it a yank. Right. That takes that out. Because the reason why that plate was so difficult is because of this metal piece here. It's slightly angled up to catch it, catch that plate on either side, so it just sticks up here and here, and there'll be lots of fun trying to put that back through. Your one might be a bit better than my one. What you're left with now is the race, the shuttle race. So your bobbin normally goes in that bit there. Your one might be slightly different. I've had a look on Google at other Lotus 66Ks. Later models, this little arm here, the piece of metal just this side is slightly sloped, which means this can gradually lift up and onto the side of the metal here. My one doesn't. My one is popped perfectly in there. So we need to lift this bar up and round. I'll do that in the next video, but that's what you should be starting off with. The reason why I take the needle out is because you're going to negotiate this and this piece out, and if the needle's still in there, then you are going to hurt yourself. So do that bit first, and then I'll do the next video.